Welcome. Now we are going to see how to use max function in Microsoft Excel. So actually max function will return the largest value in the set of values. So here you can see that in column D I have some numbers, so which is a mixture of some numbers. So a mixture of decimal and whole number. So I am going to validate which is the maximum or largest number using the max function. So this is the formula I am typing, equal to max, and I am passing the cell range. So it will compares all the values in the cell range which I have mentioned, and it will print the or return the maximum value. So this is the maximum value, you can see. So and there is another way to calculate the largest value. So using the max button available in the toolbar, as I am shown here. So this is also another way. Now I am going to check the maximum value for non-contiguous cells. So I am going to select the cells from H to K. So I am going to find the maximum values for the cells H to K and print in cell M. So I am typing the formula. Yes, so it's success. So only thing is you have to give the correct cell range or the number. So this is the usage of max function in Microsoft Excel.